the last game of LA Lakers against Clippers, I noticed that many times LeBron James was just waiting for Luka Doncic to pass the ball to him, or he's just wondering if Luka Doncic would pass the ball to him. I pity on him because most of the time, when Luka was not yet on the team, it was LeBron always carrying the ball, and he was the one always initiating the play. But now Luka Doncic can take place on him. I don't know if it's an advantage for him or disadvantage for him, because he's a star. In fact, he is considered as one of the great player. But I don't know. I'm just wondering if can he stand by that situation wherein he was just waiting. He's like just a role player on the team. But maybe, I don't know. Let's see if he will not ask for a trade next season.